Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. Sir, still how many classes does it take to complete our course? May I know it?
Next week last. Next
Sunday.
weekend is the last. Yeah, next
Okay.
Sunday is the last.
Sir, including
I'm not able to
LTMC,
see
sir.
the screen.
Migration copy.
Including LTMC, LP, MOM.
Screen is visible for everyone or only for me it's the problem?
So it's visible for everyone. Yes.
Okay. I'll just connect back.
Sir, including that advanced ATP, and you said one class is there related to tables and whatever the fields are
Yes,
changing into.
that everything, advanced ATP, the class on tables, fields, everything next week only. We will end up.
Okay, sir.
Next week, next Sunday is the last class for this batch. We cover that, whatever the table changes, field changes, everything we cover in that. Okay.
Sir, greenfield implementation.
About methodology as well, right?
Sorry?
Methodology, sir. Like ASAP methodology, we'll discuss, right?
No, we'll not discuss that. Activate methodology, you can go through the means, you will have that information. You can go, it's only the information. You can go through that.
Sir, greenfield implementation.
See, greenfield implementation means we will not discuss pricing, everything. So settlement management, credit management, that's it. Whatever the changes. We first covered migration.
Okay, sir.
After that, in migration only we covered credit management configurations, output BRF. So this we call greenfield.
Sir, resume preparation class something, sir? Sir, resume preparation class, sir?
Okay. So resume preparation that I'll send you sample resumes and I'll also send you the questions, interview related questions. So that you will receive in your group sample resumes and this interview questions related to migration project and whatever the BRF and all those. So interview questions, you will get that. And if you want, I'll send some sample resumes. Okay. So tell me last class, what is that we discussed?
So we have assigned the GL account. We have defined, and after that we configured logistic general settlement management process. Then you said we will create new BP.
Yes, so let us create one new BP. For that, we create condition contracts and we'll see the process, order, delivery invoice.
Sir, are you speaking?
Okay, now So last class we completed basic configurations, I think. What we did, pricing, we assigned pricing procedure A1.
We have done the defined settlement process. We have defined the settlement process types.
I'm just trying to recall that, what we did. One is we assigned pricing procedure, rebate price A1 0005, something that is the standard. For document schema group 0T, 0S, that is the main. Remaining 0T, 0U, 0V, that is okay. But main is 0S. For 0S document schema group, we assigned A1 0005, that is one. Next, go to our pricing procedure and we add net value step. For net value step, maintain subtotal as A1. And we added REA, what is the condition type? REA1, actuals condition type.
REA1.
REA1.
REA1, sir.
REA1. Okay. Now that is second step. Next. What is the third step?
GL accounts for rebates, sir, and
define GL accounts for rebates and accruals. Next, fourth step, assign GL accounts. Application B, KOFI, 0S1. I mentioned rebate GL, accruals GL. Next, application B, KOFI, ERU. Mention only accruals both sides. Next, application B, KORS, condition type, rebate GL account, accruals GL account.
And last
Next.
we have done define settlement process types, OS10, sir.
We go to settlement process types and mention tax code related, no error. And go to pricing procedure, rebate pricing procedure, mention tax condition type. What is the tax condition type? Check manual.
RETX, sir, it is.
RETX something. So check manual for that. So this is what we discussed. Okay. Next. Now, make a note. Create BP. Create one new BP. So you have to practice this process, just process for understanding. Create one BP. Okay, now BP, click on organization, BP role, FLCU00. FLCU00. Click on create, mention the grouping BP02, mention the name, settlement customer, Settlement customer. Mention the search term. Street. Country DE. Country is mandatory. So mandatory means you will get that star symbol. Just I mentioned only mandatory. Language, EN.
This is not yesterday's server, huh?
The language EN. This is yesterday's server only. Language EN. Okay, go to company code data. See here in this new server, you will get by default this 1710. Okay, go to switch company code. Go to switch company code. Mention the new company code. Mention the new company code H100. Mention the reconciliation account 1,40,000. Go to 1 lakh. Okay, save it. What are the required fields? Street. City. Okay. Save it. City is a mandatory field. It is a 1000170 saved. 1000170 created. Now go to change mode, click on change. Go to change mode. FLCU01. FLCU01. Go to sales and distribution. Mention your sales area. H100, H1. Okay. Mention shipping conditions 01, plant H100. go to billing. Incoterms. CIF. Payment terms 0001. Account assignment group 01. Tax classification 1. Save it. Save it. Okay. Now here in sales tab, main important is go to sales tab, check relevant for settlement, highlight that. Go to sales tab and check relevant for settlement management. Check relevant for settlement, highlight this. Go to sales tab and check relevant for settlement management.
Customer pricing procedure is not given there.
Okay, sorry. Customer pricing procedure 1. Save it. Next, see here. Go to sales, company code data. We have unnecessary one extra. You can delete that. In company code data, go to company codes. Remove that. Okay, only H100 is there. Now, okay. Now see here. Okay. Now process, make a note. Create condition contract. Create condition contract.
This is fifth step, sir.
Yes. You can take process. Process in that, if you want to see the process, first create BP. In BP, what is the main control? Tell me.
Sales tab relevant for settlement.
In sales tab, check relevant for settlement management. You have to check that. Check relevant for settlement management.
So these steps are addition to the last class, or it's new process? We need to write it. Yeah.
So last class we did basic configuration. Now today we started create BP. Create one BP and create condition contract. Make a note. T code to create condition contract. WCOCO. The T code to create condition contract. WCOCO. The T code to create condition contract. WCOCO. Did you take in that? WCOCO. Press enter, WCOCO. Press enter. Click on create below. Means this GUI, according to GUI, or normal GUI, you will get save button normally. But new GUI, you will get here, create.
What is condition contract, sir? Sorry, condition contract.
It's like rebate agreement. It's like rebate agreement. Okay. So click on create. See here, what is rebate? Rebate is a special kind of discount and it's a conditional discount and which will be valid over a specific period of time. Example, if customer purchase 50,000 quantity from Jan 1st to December 31st, then he is eligible for a rebate of 10% like that. Now, system will, first thing we have to create contract for the customer or BP. We have to create contract. We call condition contract, nothing but rebate. Make note. Condition contract is nothing but rebate agreement. Condition contract is nothing but rebate agreement. Condition contract is nothing but rebate agreement. Condition contract is nothing but a rebate agreement. Condition contract is.
This contract is done before the invoices or and after the invoice also it can be done. Suppose from Jan to July the amount of.
See, you know, rebate is a retroactive billing. So after that also we can create, we can update that in rebates or settlement management. So rebate is a retroactive billing. Okay. So create condition contract. Condition contract is nothing but rebate agreement. So the customers who are into rebate, so we have to create contract for each and every customer. We have to create contract for each and every customer. Okay. Now, WCOCO, click on create. Click on create. Click on create. Mention condition contract type 0S01 standard. Mention condition contract type 0S01 which is standard.
Means always do we need to go for this only, sir? This option only?
Yeah, this is standard. If you want, you can define your own, but this is standard. We go for this.
Okay.
For settlement means rebate concept. Settlement management. The condition contract standard is this 0S01.
As we see, there are some other condition contact types also, no? Like, as we see, there are some other contact types also, no? 0S02, 003, like, what does it mean, sir? Like,
No, we go for this only.
okay.
So this is the standard and we use this. If you want to create your own also, try to copy this 0S01. Okay. And click on continue. Click on continue. Click on continue. Click on continue. So just take my time. Okay. Now here mention the customer. I did not check what is the customer number.
1000170, sir.
170.
1000170. Mention from and to, contract from and to, normally 1 year, but here we mention 1 month. What is today's date? 16/4. Mention from and to. I'll take only this month. Mention from and to, from date to date. Normally it will be 1 year. Next, go to sales tab. Go to sales tab. Go to sales tab. Go to sales tab. Now here scroll down in sales tab, scroll down. Okay. Now here below, click on this new condition plus symbol. Click on this plus symbol. Take the symbols also. Click on this plus symbol, new condition. Click on this plus symbol, new condition. Click on plus symbol, new condition. And here mention the condition type REA1. Mention the condition type REA1. Actuals. Mention the condition type as REA1. And calculation type percentage, calculation. So here mention the rate, 10%, whatever, you can mention 12%, and mention the sorry, accruals. I'll take 5% accruals. Mention 5%. Next, press enter. Press enter.
On top, we have one condition table V4AB. Did we define that condition table?
Sorry?
On on top of this.
We are using standard. Yeah, we are using standard. In standard, we have this table.
Yeah, V4AB, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
V4AB is the standard table. We define our own later. But this is standard table because we are using all standards. You will get this by default when you select 0S01 as condition contract type. Okay, here. Next, click on insert again, new condition, plus symbol. Okay. Next, click on insert again. Now this time mention the rebate. Mention the rebate condition type as RES1. Mention the rebate condition type as RES1. Calculation type percentage. Mention the rate 12%. Mention the rate as 12%. Now here.
So sorry to say this RES1 condition type we did not maintain in our pricing procedure now. Then why we are?
But it is there in A10005 pricing procedure. In our pricing procedure, we have only accruals. When you see the process, you will come to know when you see the result.
Okay. Why we have to use all these condition types from different pricing procedure? I did not understand that actually. Okay.
See here, settlement, we have separate pricing procedure. That will come at the time of settlement when you are doing settlement of rebates to customers. You will have different pricing procedure. And when you create invoice, first of all, do you know what is rebate concept? Means I'm not explaining rebate here.
Yes, understood. I know that.
Okay, tell me in rebate, when you create invoice, which percentage you will get? Rebate percentage or accruals?
Rebate percentage.
Accruals you will get. When you create invoice, you will get only accruals. Or else, who is asking this either? Go through that once, rebate concept.
Okay, sir.
Or else I'll show you the process, understand the process when we discuss result, you will come
Yes.
to know.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Because here we are not discussing rebate concept here. Okay. Now 12% is rebate. Out of that, actuals is 5%. Or else, let me give overview on this. See here, rebate. We announce rebate, and the customers. We create contract for agreement for each and every customer. In agreement, we mention what is the rebate percentage, 12%, and actuals 5%. Actuals means it is a provisional account. When you announce rebate from that date onwards, client, whenever customer make the payment, 5% of that we keep aside. 5% of invoice value we keep aside. That we call provisional account, nothing but accruals. So accruals is a provisional account which will have to keep some money aside from each transaction to meet the future requirement of rebate settlement. To meet the future requirement of rebate settlement. Okay. So if you don't have accruals, then it will be difficult for us to settle rebate to customers because end of the year we don't have liquid money. So whenever you announce rebate, from that date onwards, client will start this accrual process. Every payment they take some 5% aside in a separate bank account. That we call accruals. So when you create invoice, it will show accruals. Means how much amount we need to keep aside. That it will show when you create invoice. So that is the reason in our sales process or in our sales pricing procedure, we maintain only accrual condition. At the time of settlement, you will get rebate condition type, RES1. Okay. Now, sales tab, go to sales tab, maintain these accruals and rebate condition types. Okay. Now here, right side, you will have scales, scale type, okay, scale unit. So you can mention here, scale, suppose if it reaches to 50,000 quantity, then only I want to, so that for that you have to click on this. There is one scales button here in this screen. I don't. Okay, display scales. Okay. Okay, so select this, then new scale level, click on this, select the rebate condition type, click on this new scale level and mention the quantity 50,000 quantity like that. So you have to maintain that in scales. Okay, so I'm not maintaining the scales. Now, after that, after sales tab, go to business volume.
So now we are not maintaining that now, sir. Scales.
We are not maintaining scales. You can maintain that practice when you practice. Click on this business volume. Click on this business volume. Click on this business volume. Scroll up. In business volume, scroll up. And click on this new line. Click on new line plus symbol. Click on new line. Okay, double click on customer. See business volume. On what basis you want to see your business volume? Means every year we check whether this customer is eligible for rebate or not. So on what basis you want to check whether this customer is eligible for rebate or not? How many invoices we have for this customer, on what basis? So customer or customer material, it is up to you. So based on the client's requirement. So I'm taking customer, double click on customer here. Mention the customer number. Tell me what is our customer number?
100 170.
So 100,017. What is that? 170. No? Okay. Enter. Next. Go to settlement calendar. This one, last one. Go to settlement calendar. Go to settlement calendar. Click on this new line. Go to settlement calendar, click on this new line. Mention the settlement date. When you settle this, means we settle to everyone end of the year, something like that. So mention the settlement date here. I'll give settlement date as this here, 4th April, sorry, 30th April, this due date. Mention settlement date for practice purpose, month and date. And you'll mention final settlement, settlement date type. You can give different dates, partial settlement on one date, final settlement other date, like that. So I'm giving final settlement direct. Okay, then click on continue. Click on continue. Click on continue. Okay, after that, click on this button, release. There is one flag symbol here. Release that. Click on release button. Click on release button. And save it. Save it. Save it. So this is how just practice purpose, create condition contract, document 2804 was saved like that. Okay. Now create order delivery invoice. Create order delivery invoice. create order, delivery invoice. Okay, let us create that order. Close this.
Do we have any drop down for contract category over there in the basic data on the right side?
Sorry?
Do we have any contract category on basic data drop down, or do we have?
Drop down, we have this.
No, please go up, sir, bit. Contract category, the second one after contract type. Yeah.
Okay. So here it will take zero sales rebate for you. Default.
Okay. Yeah.
When you select the condition code 0S01, it will take by default 0S sales rebate. Okay. Next. Now I am creating order OR H100, H1. What is our customer? 100, 170. So what is the material we created?
Vaccine, sir.
H vaccine. Quantity 300. See here, when you create order, you will have only PR00. You will not get accruals here. Okay, save it. Then create delivery. What is our shipping? H100. VL01N. Three nine seven. Order number 3975 20. Do picking, storage location, pick quantity, do PGI. Now create invoice. See in invoice you will get accruals. Go to double click on line item, go to conditions. So here you will get accruals, REA1, how much percentage, 5%. We are not getting value. Use update, but in real time not required. Use update, carry out new pricing. You should get value automatically, but we'll check copy controls. Okay. So click on update, carry out new pricing. Okay.
This 5% is 9 lakh. Out of that, 5% is 45.
Yes, 9 lakhs, 5%.
Okay, sir.
So this is actuals 5%. Now, when you say this, see the accounting document, see the accounting document, go to change mode, click on accounting. Click on accounting. Now see here, accruals will post in this GL account 202020 debit and credit. Accruals will have debit and credit posting because we maintain accruals in both the places, GL account. Now, with this, they come to know that FI people, this amount has to be kept aside. But here we are getting this description FS 00202020. We have to change the description. You should get accurate here. Okay. I'll check that. Next. Make a note. So like that, throughout the year, customers will keep on placing orders. Now, end of the year, we check whether this customer is eligible for rebate or not. Make a note. See here, W, go to condition contract. Did you set this as billing document? WCOCO. What is our contract number? Tell me. This one only. Now see here, the T code to settle rebate, the T code for rebate settlement, take the T code here. The T code for rebate settlement, the T code for rebate settlement is the T code for rebate settlement is WB 2R underscore SC. WB 2R underscore SC. WB2R underscore SC. So this is the T code for rebate settlement. WB2R underscore SC. Enter. Mention the settlement date. In our case, what is the settlement date we mentioned? Tell me.
30th April.
30th April.
Mention the date, 30th April. Mention the settlement date. Mention the condition contract. Mention the condition contract. Scroll down. Scroll down. Mention the run type. Live run. Mention the run type, live run. Mention the run type, live run. And execute. Mention the run type, live run and execute. Execute. Here you'll get message, one contract settlement settled without errors. See here, what is the invoice value? In our invoice value is
9 lakhs, sir.
9 lakhs. How much accruals? 4%.
5%, sir.
5%. How much?
45,000.
45K.
What is the rebate percentage?
It is 5%, sir. 12%, sorry.
12%.
12% means what is the rebate value?
1,08,000.
1,08,000 and 9 lakhs, yeah.
1,08,000. Okay. So click on continue. You will get this message. One contract settlement settled without errors. Click on continue. Okay, there is no issue here. You have one warning, GL accounts requires a valid tax code. Okay. Let us go and check. Make a note. The T code to see that settlement document.
Can you repeat once again, sir?
Sorry, what is that?
Can you repeat once again?
I'll show you once again process, but now I cannot repeat because that is done.
The sir
I'll show you one more.
Sir said the T code to see settlement document. Yeah.
That if you want process, because process is done, I'll show you once again. Okay, the T code to see the settlement document. WZR2. WZR2.
Z up.
You can see this here. Integral bar WZR2.
Okay, sir. Okay.
WZR2. Now go inside WZR2. 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 1 second, system is stuck. One second. WZR2 enter. Mention the settlement document number 780C8.
2804.
That is contract, condition contract. Here 7808 left. Okay. Mention that, press enter. See it. What is the amount it will show?
8,000.
1,08,000. Credit memo amount 1,08,000. Customer 1000170. Here system automatically generates credit memo and it will be updated into customer's account. Okay. Net amount 1,08,000. If you double click on this, you can see the conditions. Double click on this. So here we have conditions tab. Go back. Scroll down. Somewhere here you have double click on this. So the screen is different.
Thank you.
So select this, go to condition, we have.
Someone please go on mute.
One second, one second. Not getting that screen. Here you'll get a conditions tab. When you go to conditions tab, let me see. Press enter. So go to header pricing elements. There is one symbol here. Go to header pricing elements. You can see that RES1 rebate 12% on 9 lakhs. Here, this pricing procedure is different. This pricing procedure is different.
So can you show once again, sir? One step back.
Go back. Click on this. I'll enter. So this is WZR2. Mention the settlement document number. Mention the settlement document number. Press enter. Press enter. Click on this header pricing elements. Click on header pricing elements. Click on this header pricing elements. So here you can see that. Here you will get RES1, 12%. Now we already reverse rebate accruals. We already posted accruals in some account. Now we have to reverse that. We have to reverse that. We have to reverse that. For that condition type is REA2. For that condition type is what? REA2. REA1 is normal accruals, which we posted in one GL account. Now here, after rebate settlement, it will reverse from accruals account. REA2 is the condition standard. A rebate accrual reversal, 45,000 minus. Okay. So you can see accounting. Here, go to accounting here. You can see the journal entry has not yet been created. Okay. So click on this release to accounting below. Release to accounting. Click on this release to accounting. Release to accounting. Release to accounting. Release to accounting. GL account, you will get one error. Sorry. GL account 884000 requires a valid tax code. GL account 884000 requires a valid tax code. Okay. Next, to solve this error, make a note. Go to the T code FS00. To solve this error, go to the T code FS00. Oh, sorry, I did not. What is the GL number? 88 400.
4000.
Mention the GL. Mention the company code. 884000. Mention the GL account. Mention the company code. Mention the GL account. Mention the company code. Click on change. Click on change. Go to control data. Mention this. Posting without tax allowed. Check this. Posting without tax allowed. Check this. Posting without tax allowed. Save it. Now go to again settlement document. Tell me what is the T code?
WB2R_SC.
No, settlement document.
WZ2R2.
WZR2.
WZR2. Okay, mention the settlement document number. Enter. Enter. Now click on release to accounting. Click on release to accounting. Accounting document created. Now click on accounting. See here, total 1,80,000. Out of that, rebates, it is taking 884000 GL account. It should take hours. Okay, 63,000, and for accruals it is taking 45,000. You're getting different GL accounts. Let me check that. Okay. One second. VKOA. Last class. What is it? We defined account key. Sales organization H100 account key 0S1 101010 TRU. Okay. Next. What is the last one? Combination, tell me.
Sir, application V, condition type KORI.
So that is
Condition type KORI.
1 second. Application, I think it is. We only. Application we. Then what?
KORI, condition type.
KORI, INT.
H100.
Sorry.
H100, sir. Your sales organization.
H100, account key 0S1.
So, yeah.
So we have to assign this price, revenue account procedure. When you are doing settlement, let 1 second. I'll do this. SPRO Logistic General. So then settlement management. Settlement process. Settlement process types. I'll show you once where we have to do that. Select this, go to details. One second. So we have to assign procedure. One second. You will get a revenue account determination, tell me accounting. Account determination, okay. Procedure for account determination, mention KOFI 00. Mention yours. Procedure for account determination, mention KOFI 00. KYFI 00.
Sir, path
And
can
save.
show it.
I'll show you. Sorry, first I need to show the path, then okay. Now see the path. If you're getting wrong GL accounts, then go to SPRO Logistics General. SPRO Logistics General. In that settlement management, settlement documents, settlement management, settlement documents, settlement document types, settlement document types. Go to settlement document, go to settlement document, go inside, select 0S12, select 0S12, standard settlement document type, go to details, go to details, go to details, scroll down, here mention procedure for account determination, KYFI 00, save it, save it. Okay. Now we'll see the process once again. Create condition contract. You can use same customer or different. It is up to you. This customer already settled now. BP, I'll create one more customer. Organization. What is FLCU 00? Create.
So just like in ECC, we don't have copy from options here.
We can copy. Settlement customer. Mention the postal code, city it is asking, and a country IN, language, in postal code line.
Country D, sir. D, country D.
Sorry, country D. Okay, now go to company code data. Reconciliation account 1,40,000. This is okay. Switch company code H100 1,40,000. Next, save it. After that, go to change mode. Mention FLCU01. Go to sales and click on create. So, the problem. BP organization. Mention FLCU00. Create BP. Go to company code data, switch company code H100, mention the reconciliation account 1,40,000, save it. Okay, 1,00171. Now go to change mode. FLCU01, go to sales and distribution, H100, H1, enter, scroll down, check this relevant for settlement management. Go to shipping. Also, go to shipping conditions 01, plant, H100, go to orders. So you can go to account group, you can mention customer pricing procedure as one. It will appear here. Go to customer account groups, maintain one, that will appear here automatically instead of maintaining every time. CIF, terms of payment, tax classification 1, save it, 1,00171. Now create condition contract. We'll see once again. If you miss, let us write it, WCO. WCO is the T code to create condition contract. WCO is the T code, okay. Click on create. Mention the condition contract type. 0S01. Mention the condition contract type 0S01. Click on continue. Mention from to and customer. What is the customer number? 1000171. Mention the customer. Go to sales tab. Mention the customer, then valid from and to dates also. Then go to sales tab. Scroll down, click on this in new condition. Scroll down, click on new condition. Click on new condition. Scroll down, mention first REA1 accruals, calculation type, percentage, rate. This time I'll take accruals as 7%. Okay. Next, scroll down one more line. New condition. RES1. RES1 percentage. I'll say 16% rebates. Then go to business volume selection criteria. Go to business volume selection criteria. Go to business volume selection criteria. Scroll up, click on this plus symbol, means this one. You have multiple plus symbols, but this circle round, here we have one more plus that is different. Click on this new line. Now double click on customer and mention the customer. What is the customer number? 1000171. Okay, now go to settlement calendar. Go to settlement calendar, click on this plus symbol. Mention settlement date. Month as per your 30th. Okay, mention settlement date type, final settlement. Click on continue. Click on continue. Okay, then release, flag symbol, release and save it. Release and save it. Okay, 28005, this is condition contract. Next, create order delivery invoice. Close this, create order delivery invoice. Suppose I'll create order for 500 quantity 1000171. H vaccine, 600 quantity. What is the value? 18 lakhs. Save it. Create delivery and invoice. Create delivery. Do PGA. Create invoice. Do PGA, create invoice, save it, see the result. Accounting, when you create invoice, you need to check the accruals. Check the accruals also. Yeah, see a double click on this. Go to conditions, 7% accruals, 1,26,000 is the accruals value. Now see the accounting. So here you will get your GL code, that is okay. So accruals, no issue. Now do the settlement. Tell me what is the T code to create settlement.
WB2R underscore SC.
WB2R underscore SC. Mention the settlement date, condition, contract, number, scroll down, run type, live run, execute, settlement date, condition, contract, run type, live run, execute. One contract settlement settled without errors. One contract settlement settled without errors. Continue. Okay. Next, what is the T code to see the settlement document? Tell me.
WZ2R, sorry, R2.
WZR2, enter. Number is what? 9, 7, all zeros, 9, the next number. Okay, enter. Now here you can see what is the rebate amount. 2,88,000, 18 lakhs, 16%, how much?
Lakhs 80,000, sir.
So it is correct. Okay, 2,88,000.
Correct, sir. Correct.
2,88,000, is it correct? Okay. Now, see here, go to accounting. Now this time you can see your GL 101010202020 like. So this is for rebate accruals and this is for rebate total 2,88,000. Okay. So this is the process, settlement process. Next class we'll discuss this. Next class we'll discuss this. Our own document types.
One here, you said rebate accrual reversal. Do we need to do any reversal here?
No, we no need to do manual reversal. It automatically do that. Because we already posted accruals in one account, now we have to reverse that. REA2. Okay. Next class will come. Thank you.
Hello? Hello?
Yes?
Hello? Need a small help.
I'll check that.
I'm getting a different screen. In the option, what is to be selected? Can you just show one?
Sorry?
I'm getting a different screen. The create option is not coming at the bottom.
Create option. If you want old session, download the old GUI. This is 770. I think 760. Old GUI 760.
Hey, Mama. What do you say?
It is not any settings in the option.
No. This is on GUI. If you want normal settings, download
Hey, Mama.
the old GUI 750, 760, I think. Okay. 770, you will get GUI like this. 760, you try to download that. Okay.
That's it. No other settings in the option.
No other settings. Okay. So next class will continue. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Hey, Vinod.